ठीक है। Yes, you have come to live. Okay. So today we'll try to complete this arithmetic progression. Okay. And that discussion, no, I will. We will discuss in the if today evening possible or Saturday evening. Okay, sure. We will discuss. Okay. That whatever the marks we have obtained, that I will confirm you. Okay. And where the small mistakes we have done, that also I will let you know. Okay. Fine. So 5.2 we were seeing, no? 5.2 till 11th done. What about that from 12 to 20? Did you try that? No. Okay. So let us see. Let us discuss some of them. Okay, fast. Then we will go to the concept of the third exercise, that is sum of the first n terms of an AP. How to add, how to sum, how to find the sum. Okay. Fine. In 5.3 we have 20 sums. Okay. In that 20, in the third one we have 10 sums. So a lot of questions to discuss. You also have to think yourself and try. Okay. We will discuss the concept and few most important questions. Okay. Now let us see question number 12. No. What is given? Two APs have the same common difference. So two APs we have and we have the same common difference. Can two different APs have the same common difference? Yes, of course. If their starting is different of both the APs, the common difference may be same. We can keep the common difference same, still they will be in AP. Both will be in AP, okay? And they will be different APs. Okay, what is the next statement? The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? The difference is given that if the difference between their 100th term means of the first term of the first AP, the 100th term A100, and of the second AP, the 100th term, that is A100, in that the difference is how much? 100. So what will be the difference of their 1000th term? Means in the first AP you find the 1000th term, that is 8000, and in the second AP you find the 1000th term and then find their difference. Means greater minus smaller, whichever is greater you subtract the smaller from that. Then it is asking what will be its value. Of the 100th difference it is given 100th term difference. It is asking for 1000th term difference. No. So let us see how to do this. What is one thing is given, that two APs have the same common difference. Okay. One thing is given, that two APs have the same common difference. Okay. Exercise 5.2. Okay. Two APs have the same common difference. Common difference. Okay, I'm writing in short. Suppose then dot question like this. So how can we let or assume our APs? How can we assume with the same difference? Say something. Let the first AP. No. Let the first AP. What it can be? Say A1. No. A2, A3, dot. Also let the second AP. Yes, here it will get some 800, no problem. It is infinite, no, 800, 8000, it will go. So for this second AP, what should we assume? Can you assume capital A? No problem, no, A1. A2, A3. The question is, in practical, if you want to understand how two APs have the same common difference. Or suppose I have one AP starting from 3, okay, and the common difference is 2. D is 2. Okay, suppose. So first term will be 3, second term will be yes, Mithun, what will be the second term? Yes, the first term 3, what will be the second term? 5. Why so late reply? Why? Okay, first term 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, dot dot dot, it will go like this. So this is one AP. Okay, suppose another AP is starting from -5. Okay, suppose -5 is the first term. So keeping the common difference same, how we can get the terms? -5 plus 2, how much? Then -1, no? Then plus 1, then 3, then 5, no? Like this it will go. So we have two different APs or not? With the same common difference we can have, okay? Just like that we have assumed. Let this be small a1 representation and this with the capital A representation. Fine, we have two different APs, but the common difference for both is two APs have the same common difference. Common difference right here, common difference. Common difference. You're not putting alarm. I'm waiting for half an hour. This is not good, no? Now I'm feeling sleepy because of waiting half an hour. Two APs have the same common difference D, okay? And in bracket I'm writing say. What does it mean? That we are assuming that let the two APs with the same common difference D. Okay? We are assuming two APs with the same common difference D. Say means let us assume that common difference is D and the two APs are these. Okay? Let the first AP be this, let the second AP be this. Now according to the question, what is given? Also let A1 is greater than a small a1, capital A1 is greater than small a1. Why I wrote this? Why we assume this? See, it is telling that the difference of the difference it is telling greater minus smaller, no? What it is telling? Greater minus smaller, difference. It's not telling from the first AP second AP, no. It's telling difference means greater minus smaller. So since we have written small a and capital A, we also have to say, also have to assume which one is greater, okay? So if we have the same common difference and if this is greater, it is having greater value than this one, it means the terms in this, okay, second AP will be greater value, will have a greater value than the first AP, okay? So also let we have assumed. Now what is given according to the question? So given, what is given? Tell me. A100, the 100th term of this AP minus small a100, the 100th term of this AP is equal to how much? 100. Yes, this is given. Fine. Given. To find, what it is asking? To find what? A 1000 minus small a 1000. No, this difference they are asking. Okay? Any doubt? Okay, let me rub this. Now all the data given I have given and I have explained the question. Now can you think how can we proceed and find our solution? Can you think little and say something? Because your cooperation is important. No, your mind should work how to find the solution, because the concept I have given. If your mind starts working how to find and it is approaching towards the answer, my work is over. That only, for that only reason I am here. So I want you to think, you to try to get the answer, at least to approach towards the correct, in the right direction. So this is given that the difference of the 100th term is this. It is asking find the difference of the 1000th term. How can we proceed and find? Tell me. We know from our formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. No? So into d. No? That is a. Okay? Isn't it? So if you expand this, we need to find this only, no? So let us expand and say, let us check what is coming. Then from the given, what we can extract and put in our required thing. Let us see. So we want this. We want this. Let us expand. A 1000 minus a 1000. What will be the expansion for this? No, a 1000, a plus, no. Capital A, okay, a plus and 9d, common difference is same, okay. Now minus sign, so minus sign, and then for this small a bracket should be there, plus 999d, okay. This is the thing. And if I will open the bracket, then I should put down, no, anyway you are not going to write, so minus a and minus this, okay. So what will happen? This and this will cancel or not? D term, we will be left only with a minus a, capital A minus small a, no. Somehow if we get this value, our answer will be ready, no? No, this was to be found. I expanded this, I got this. Why I wrote the same d, small d? Because we have the same common difference in both, no? So small d for this also, small d for this also, okay? And we have already assumed two APs with the same common difference d, say the first AP, the second AP, and this one greater, this one is smaller, and this is to be found. From here we cancel and we got this, no? Now see what is given. What was given? This was given, no? Hey Mithun, where are you? Please be here. This was given. Now tell me for this, a plus minus small a minus again 99d is equal to 100, no? So what you will get? Again this and this will get cancelled. A minus a small a is equal to 100, no? See, we are getting capital A minus small a is 100. Let this be equation first, okay? So can we substitute this here? Yes, this is also capital A minus small a, this is also capital A minus small a, no? So I can write that capital A minus small a is nothing but 100 from equation 1. Reason I will write from equation 1. Understanding? So what we observe that 1000th term difference is also 100, 100th term difference is also 100, and not only this, you find any term difference, a 1 lakh, okay, term minus small a 1 lakh terms. What will come? 100 only. The difference will always be 100. Means in the second AP you go and get the 1 lakh term In this AP, upper AP also 1 lakh term. Which term is 1 lakh at 1 lakh place? Then subtract, find the difference, greater minus smaller. You will find only 100 only. Okay. Correct? Got this? How to solve, you understood? What was to find? We just tried simplified. We just tried to simplify, we got this. And what was given from there, we calculated, we got the value of that. We substituted that here and we got it. Okay? Easy? Just it was to think and understand. Okay? Now what is the next one? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7 or 77? 7. 13th one. Shall I write this? Okay, while solving again these sums, you should not copy, okay? Even if you are taking screenshots or whatever, you can just keep it for reference, okay? That checking where I am doing mistake, but all you should do by yourself, okay? If you have understood. You know what, I want to move fast, but I am not able to move, because just moving fast won't work unless you understand properly. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers So all the 3-digit numbers actually starts from? Tell me. All the 3-digit numbers starts from 100. Okay. And then 101, then 102, then dot 999. After that, if you add 1, it will go to 4-digit numbers, no? So the complete 3-digit numbers. This is what? Complete 3-digit numbers. No? From these 3-digit numbers, it is asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. From this, how many are divisible by 7? It is asking, no? So from this, we will extract our numbers which are divisible by 7. How? Okay? How? From this, we will extract those 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay? So we will check. We have to check and see. So 100 is divisible by 7. The first one. It is divisible by 7. Let us divide. 7 1 is 7. 3 will come. 30. 7 4 is 28. 2 will come. No. So this will not go. 101 and decimal, no. Divisible means no decimal, no. Without decimal, we have to divide. The remainder should come 0. That is divisible, okay. Then 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Let us see. 103, 104 won't go. 7. 7 on the 7. 7 on the 7, 3. And 35. 7 5s are 35. We got the first term. In the complete 3-digit numbers, we got our first 3-digit number which will be divisible by 7. So the 3, what I am doing, the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7 are as follows, okay, are as follows. So we have to check from the complete 3-digit numbers those which are divisible by 7. So the first one is 105, okay. What will be the second one, can you tell? 106, no. 107, no. 108, 12. So in 105, if we'll add 7, we will get 107, 5, 12. Okay, so 112 will go. 112 next is the term is 112. 7 1 is 7, 4, 42, 7 6 is 42, 0. Okay, so 112 will be the next term. Likewise, it will go. Okay, dot dot dot. Now, what will be the last term? From the last, now we have to check. We have got the initial two values and one last value we need. So that, see, all will be in AP. Why? Because the common difference, it will come in like APs. 105 plus 7, 112 plus 7 next term, plus 7 next term. It will, okay, automatically come in AP, in arithmetic progression. Okay, it will have the same value increment. Okay, every term. So now the last term we have to check. 999. 999, will it go? Let us divide. 7 7 1 is 7, 2 is coming 29, 7 4 is 28, 1 is coming 19, 7 2 is 14. How much is coming? 5. It is not going. Means we have to go back 5, so that this 5 is removed. Means here 5 should be less. So 994, will it go? Let us check. 994, will it go? 7 1 is 7 again, 2, 9, 7 4 is 28, 1, 14, 7 2 is 14, it's going. Okay, see, here we were getting how much? 5, no? So how to remove this 5? Means go less 5. This side which I increased, how much I got this side? When I divided 100 with that 7, I got 2. It means I need more 5 to make it here 7. Once it will come 7, my division will go. So 100, in that 2, I needed to add 5. So I came 105. How I checked? Okay, if you don't understand this, you can even check like that. Okay, hit and trial method. So from 100, I understood 105 will go. From 999, I understood that 5 less. Now I cannot increase, no. 2 more. If in this I will add 2 more, 999 plus 2, how much? 1001. No, this will go by this will go by 7, but this will become 4-digit number. So we need not to go ahead. We need to move back. Need to move back. We have to get 5 less. To get 5 less, we have to subtract in this. So 994. Okay. So 7 1 is 7. 2 is coming 29. 7 2 is 7 4 is 28. 1 14. 7 2 is 14 0. So this is what 994 is our last number, which will go by. This is the last 3-digit number which will be divisible by. Yes, man. 7. Now we got our AP. Whenever this type of question will come, which will be divisible by 3, which will be divisible by 7, 5. Okay, always it will come in AP. Okay, but now it has not been proved in the question or given in the question that will be in AP. What we have to do? After 112, what will come? Satunis. Okay, yes. So what we have to do? We have to actually, in our solution, we have to present that yes, this is an AP. We have to show it. Okay. So now we will be proving that yes, this is an AP. Next, what we will find? It is asking how many. How many? So how many numbers are there? So many numbers will be there in between these 3 dots. No? So how many total? What to do? After proving they are in AP, we will assume this. Let this be the nth term. Understanding? We will assume our last term. We have solved such type of questions in the last class. No? We will assume the last term as the nth term. Let that be the nth term. Then we will get an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. And a and d value is known, and a n value is also known. No, it will be 994, and this a is also known, 105. This d is also known, how much? 7. So we will get an equation in terms of n. We will solve it. We will get the value of n. So we will understand how many total terms are there. Means at what place 994 is coming, 100th place, 50th place, 60th place, whatever the place it will come. Those many numbers are there. Okay, those many terms are there. How to solve this? 994 minus 105 first, no? Subtraction, and then divide 7 after subtraction, and then add 1, we will get n. Okay, so you got this? You got this? So here what we will do, here a1 is equal to 105, a2 112, a3 119. Okay, now d1 a2 minus a1, 112 minus 105 is equal to 7. Okay, now d2 a3 minus a2, 119 minus 112 is equal to 7. Since d1 is equal to d2, therefore the terms are in AP. We cannot use the AP formula, no, unless they are in AP. So since nowhere it's given they are in AP or not, we at least we have to do little work to say that yes, they are in AP. Now we can easily use our what? Now what? Now let 994 be the nth term. So an is equal to 994, and now you go on expanding it and solve and get the value of n. Okay, and that many 3-digit numbers are which are divisible by 7. Got this? Easy. Next question, you see, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 14th one. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? See here, between 10 and 250. Between 10 and 250. Is it asking from 10 to 250? There is a difference. If it will say between 10 and 250, what does it mean? Exclude 10, exclude 250. In between, whatever the values are there, you check. No? Between it is telling. If it will say from 10 to 250 means 10 and 250 will be included. Among that we have to check. Understanding? So how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So 10 we do not have to count, so the numbers are starting from 11. No, 12, 13, to 49. In this we have to check how many multiples of 4 are there. No. So 11 is the multiple of 4. Do you know what do you mean by multiple of 4? Multiple of some number is that value which can be divided by the given number. So can 4 divide this 11? No. Actually multiple means the tables, you know, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. No? Likewise. So what all these are? These are all the multiples of the table 4. And if you want to define, what does it mean? Multiples are those numbers which can be divisible by the given number. I asked multiple of 4. So the table of 4 you wrote all. So all these values will be actually divisible by 4. Correct? So it is asking multiples of 4. So tell me the first value what we should take. Then 24 table? No man. What? 16? 4 3 12, 4 5 16. All will come? No, in that. 20. Then dot come to the last. Let us divide this 249 by 4. No. Divide. So this 0 9 4 2 is 8 1. So 1 is coming means we should have 1 back side. No, to remove this 248. Yes, 248. So 4 6 and 4 2 no, it's coming. So the last term is 248. Got this? Now we have to check whether they are in AP or not. Of course they will come in AP. Okay, because see, plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 increment. After proving like this that yes, these terms are in AP, what we have to do next? We have to assume let 248 be the nth term. Okay, and after that just get the value of n. Is it tough? Okay, so where is the next question? 15th one. What is the 15th one? For what value of n are the nth terms of this and this two APs are given equal? No? So go through this question and try from your side, no, and then help me think on this thing. I'm rubbing it. Easy only, not tough. Just little give your mind there, you'll understand. Yes, Mithun. Read the question. What is given? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs be equal? So what do you understand from this question? The two APs are there, okay? Fine. And then means nth term means if suppose n value 5, suppose, okay, then the fifth term of this AP and the fifth term of the second AP, fifth term of the first AP and fifth term of the second AP are equal. If suppose n value 5, it is something like this, means the same term of the first AP and the same term of the second AP will be equal at some place. We have to find at which place, no? So how can we proceed and finish it? Can you think? It's easy only. If you don't know anything, what will you assume? Let. It's asking no for what value of n. So we will write like this. Let the nth term of the two APs be equal. No. Let the nth term of the two APs be equal. And that n value only we need, no, to find. Yes. After that, see what to do. Easy, good question. See, just the statements, if you understand, work is over. 15. What are the two APs? The first AP is 63, 65, 67. Tell me the two APs. 63, 65, 67. Infinite, no? 3, 10, 17. 3, 10, 17, no? The two APs. What will assume? Let the nth term or terms, nth term of this and nth term of this. Let the nth terms of the given two APs, how to write APs like this, okay, plural for this AP, okay. Let the nth term of the given two APs be equal, okay. Now in this, the first term and the common difference and the first term and the common difference will be different or not? Yes. What will be the only equal thing? N, no? So we have to actually find what? Nth term of the first AP, nth term of the first AP, suppose, okay. You will write here first AP, second AP, so first AP. Tell me nth term of the first AP, how much? Is equal to nth term of the first AP. Nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d, you know, an. See why I am not writing an. Let us write, no problem, right? Let it be what? An, okay? Nth term. So nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d. And what is this a? Tell me. Correct. Plus n minus 1 into dt is how much? 2. That we will find, okay? Those things I am not doing. All we have to find all these things. So let this be an, okay? Fine. We got this. Okay? Now, nth term of the second AP. So I cannot represent the same, okay? Can I represent with the same an? They are equal, no? They are equal, so in that case, in the question itself it's given and we have assumed also. So can I write an for both? An can I write? Yes, we can write also, we cannot even write also, no problem. Both the things are okay, okay? So let this be question first and let us write with an dash, okay? Just to make little difference so that we can present it, okay? We can represent. No, don't use capital A. Use dash here, okay? Fine. Then capital I think will be much different, no? If everything is different, then you will see. Fine. Then 3 plus n is same, no? N minus 1 into d is how much? 7, no? In this case. So n dash is this second, okay? From the question we have what? We have what? An is equal to an dash, no? In the question it is given. Yes. What sound? From your phone, no? Okay. So from the question we have both the nth terms are equal or not? So that's what I wrote. And what is an now? What is an dash now? We will write, okay? So an is actually 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, and this is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Okay, now we will solve this. See, this complete equation is in terms of n only. So don't think n minus 1 get cancelled. No, here the 63 is not in multiplication with this part, okay? And 3 is not in multiplication. If it is in multiplication, then only we can cancel n minus 1 here, n minus 1 here. Correct? But they are in addition, so we have to simplify. Now tell me what to do. Let us open this bracket. So 63 plus, without opening we cannot solve this time, okay? We have to open. Fine? So 63 plus, tell me. Okay, that might say fine. Open this, no, bracket. 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Now simplify, it's so easy, no? What do you want? Let us bring n this side, we will get positive. So 7n minus 2n, no? Let us bring all those that side, all the constants. So 63 plus, sorry, minus 2, 63 minus 2, minus 3 plus 7. Okay, now how much this? 63 plus 7, how much? 70. 63 is in plus, 7 is in plus. So 63 plus 7, 70. 70 minus 5, yes, 65. So 65 here, and is equal to how much? 5n. No, 7n minus 2 and 5n. So n is equal to by 5, that is 13. Okay, 13. So what we understood, that if we find the 13th term here and the 13th term of this AP also, both will be What was the question? Read the question. Read the question. Equal. So that's what we did. No, let the nth terms of the given APs be equal, nth terms, and after that we found the nth term in the first, nth term in the second. We equated, we solved, we got n13. What does it mean? 13th term of this AP and 13th term of this AP will be equal. Any confusion in that? Let us check it. So tell me A in this 13th term for this. A plus 12D? No. What is A? 63 plus 12 into D is how much? 2. No. 63 plus 24. Correct? 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay? First AP, second AP. A plus 12D again. What is A in this? 3 plus 12. What is D? 7. 3 plus 12 7 ja 84. Understood? So you go on finding the terms. The 13th term here and the 13th term here will match, will be equal. Okay, so that what we were not knowing, so we assumed let that be the nth term, and then we simplified, we solved, and we got, and here we checked also. Okay. Then 16th one, what 16th is telling? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Now you can solve it so easily. You just form the equation and tell me what equation we should form, and you first go through it, understand, form the equation, and then tell. And from the next class, sit with pen and notebook also, okay? And whatever the sums we are doing, you go on taking the screenshots for further reference, okay? And collect all those screenshots after completion of that unit in one folder, writing the name of the units, okay? And also you must practice in your notebook, because without practice you cannot solve. Even if you know everything in maths, how to do, what to do, but if you have not practiced by your hand in writing in written form, then your hand will not work at the exam time, okay? So practice is very important. Now silently go through the 16th question, form the equation and tell me then. Okay. So can you see the live stream correctly? If these things happens no in between, then I think it starts lagging. I don't know. Okay, check the question. We will see. 16th question. You see, form the equation. 7n. A7 no. A7 minus A5 2 is equal to 12, and the third term is so A3 is given how much? 16, and second thing what given? These two things are given, and what is asking? Determine the AP. Determine the AP means you find the AP and you write at least the three terms. Okay, you write the value of three terms: A1, A2, A3. Okay, like this you write dot dot dot, infinite AP, nothing given, so infinite Like this you have to write in the last the values of A1, A02 and A3. So we just have to solve this, we will get the answer. What we will get from here? A plus 2D is equal to 60. No, this is one equation, and the second equation from here you will get A plus how much? 6D. Same, and A plus, is it lagging now? A plus 6D. A7 means A plus 6D minus A5 means A plus 4D, but minus sign before it means both will be minus, so A minus 4D, A minus 4D, okay, is equal to 12. So 6D minus 4D, how much? And plus A minus A, 0, no? And 6D minus 4D, 2D. 2D is equal to 12, D is equal to 6, D is equal to 6. Now substitute this D here. So A plus 2 6 12 is equal to 16. 16 minus 12 is equal to A. That is A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. We got A4, D6. So now go and find the AP. So we have the APs as 4 comma 4 plus 6. How much? 10 plus 16 dot dot dot, 3 terms enough, and then 3 dot enough. Done, we got our APs. This is the answer. Understood? So presentation is important. Calculation should be the calculation thing should be means what? It should be very brief in your brain how to calculate and find the answer. But for presentation you have to write everything, okay, properly. See the 17th one. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 20th term. 17th one. See, you have slept more and now I am very bad. 3, 8, 13, dot 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 dot, last 253. What is this? Finite or infinite AP? Finite AP. It is asking find the 20th term from the last. Okay. Find the 20th term from the last. So let us see. To find A20. Okay. What in bracket from the last? No. How to find 20th term from the last? Okay, tell me the common difference. Fine. Common difference will be 8 minus 3, that is 5. D is 5. No, D is how much here right now? D is 5. So if you want to move from back side, okay, if you want to take this as the first term, okay, then if you consider this as the first term, then easily we can find the D, the A20, 20th term. So what is that? What happens in the D? When we move from this side, if D is positive, with the same value, it becomes negative if we move from this side, taking the last term as the first term. Okay, this is the difference. Okay. So what we will write? If now if we consider the last term as the first term, then the common difference we have to write. Then the common difference, because directly you cannot show to the examiner that D is minus 5 from how you understood this. So you need to add one statement. Okay. Now if you consider the last term as the first term, then the common difference D will be equal to minus 5. Okay. And what? And A is how much? 253. No, first term. So now use these two things and find the A20. No. So A20th is A plus 19D. What is A? 253. And what is D? 19 into minus 5. Multiplication. Okay. Multiply and get the answer. That will be the value. Fine. Easy only. What is the 18th one? This is given data what? A fourth term plus eighth term, no? Is how much? 24. And this sixth term and 10th term? 44. Of a particular AP, no? Of single AP is given, of that it is talking. That in that you add the fourth and the eighth term, you will get 24. You add the sixth term and the 10th term, you will get 44. No? And then it is asking find what? No, find what? What to find in that question? First three terms means A1, A2 and A3 we need to find. No, that will be AP. How to do? Simple, expand it. A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. We will get an equation in terms of A and D. Okay? This also will get an equation in terms of A and D. Solve them by substitution, elimination, whatever method. You will get A and D. Once you get A and D, you can find A1, A2, A3 easily. Okay? Not tough? Then 18th, read the 18th, go through it. 18th done? No. 19th one, yes. Read, go through. Okay, go through it silently and think. Yes, read. Okay, so let me read. Once Subbarao started work in 1995. Okay, at an annual salary. Annual means yearly. Yes, means for 1 year he was getting a complete salary of rupees 5,000 in 1995. No, and he started work in 1995 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Every year it was getting increased by 200. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, so let me write it. 1995. Okay, he got 5,000. No, so 5,000 was A1. Then dot. Okay, how much? 5,200 like that. Then 5,400. No. Dot, how much it want? 7,000, no? 7,000 means which year? What is the place value? What is the place of this? 7,000. And the D. So A is how much? 5,000. And D is 200. So let what? Let, yes, after n years, yes. And then AN is equal to how much? 7,000. No. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7,000. So A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 as it is. D is 200 multiplication and then 7,000. So N minus 1 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. 2,000 by 200. No. So n is equal to 11. So in the 11th years he will get 7,000. This is A11. What this? A11. 11th years. So 995 is the first year. Then 995, 1995, sorry, is the first year. No, first year. Then tell me, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 11th year. Now, if you want to find directly, 2005 is the answer. Got this? In 2005, his annual salary will be 7,000. So why I wrote like this? Why did not I just do the calculation here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tell me what you should have done to get 2005. 995 plus how much? AP formula, everything we did. Now we understood that the 11th years he will get 7,000. That also is okay. But what will be the 11th years from 995 as the first year? What is 995? First year. So what will be the 11th year? How to come to that? From 995, how to come directly to 2005 without writing all this? Okay, 1995 plus 10 into D is 1. No? Yes. How much? We will get 2005. So 2005 year. This is the year. Okay. Don't do this thing. 1995. Okay, the first year, and 11th year is the answer. So just adding 11 in that, wrong. It will come 2006, and that will be wrong. Okay. That's what the reason why I wrote this. Okay. So 19th done. Now 20th one, go through it silently, think and say. Yes, Ramkali, read the question and understand. Read the question, okay. So Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year. Rupees 1.75, yes. So if in the nth week her weekly saving becomes, find n. So it is an AP case only, case of AP only. How can we write that? Yes. 20. What is the first term? 5 in the first week she saved. Then increasing weekly by rupees 1.75. So it will be next what? Then okay, anything let it be, and then If the nth week, her weekly saving becomes 20.75. Okay. What sounds are coming in my ears? Yes, 20.75. That is asking what? So this is the A. A is equal to 5. D is equal to 1.75. Let AN is equal to 20.75. No. Let the nth term, you should not write like this. Let the nth term be 20.75, then AN is equal to 20.75. Like that you have to write, okay? So now we have to expand it. So A plus N minus 1 into D. Again 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is how much? 1.75 is equal to 20.75. No? So how much? N minus 1 is equal to 20.75 minus 5. 15.75? 15.75 by 1.75. Now how to remove the decimal? See, after the decimal, here also 2 digits, after the decimal, here also 2 digits. If I want to remove by putting the zeros, I have to put equal number of zeros up and down, same thing. Yes, so no need of all this. You just do what? Write in the down 1575 by 175 and cancel. In 25 table, easily it will go. No, 5 table also. 5 3 is a 15, 5 5 is a 25. 5 3 is a 15, 5 1 is a 5, 5 3 is a 15. No? What is coming? 5 3 is a 15, 5 1 is a 5, 2 is coming 25, 5 5 is a 25. Okay? So 3 1 5 again it will go. 5 7 is a 35, 5 6 is a 30, 5 3 is a 50. No? 7 table it will go. 7 9 is a 63. So 9. So n is equal to how much? 10. Therefore n is equal to 10. So what does it mean? The 10th week, okay? Is it okay? The 10th week, it will be 20.75. Is that the answer? Hmm. 5.2. Okay, now the thing is that, see, the full 20 questions, 30 questions of the next exercise is still left. I thought to give an introduction to that 5.3 and then, but understanding and discussing each and every question, it will take time. So I want from your side also, efforts from your side, okay? Keep on doing the work. It's not so easy that each and every question we can discuss of the book in the given time, okay? It will be little tough. So I want your effort also, okay? So that we can just discuss and move fast into the next question like that, okay? And all the questions whatever we are discussing and whatever is the back pending, you please keep on finishing it, okay? Completing it. So in the next class, from the next week we have to study science also. This week, see, we could not start. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, of course, we will study for maths, and then Thursday, Friday, we will study science. Okay? And about the test of the first test and the second test, okay? I will check and I will just let you know by Saturday evening, okay? Fine then. Okay then? You please practice all these questions, whatever you have left in your notebook. Okay then, bye. See you. You can disconnect the call, yes. Bye.